It is 7:11, children. Tuesday, March 23rd. We're in that 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock window, and look at my windshield again. They're making it rain. Remember, this is when we would usually see the orange in the sky, but there are so many clouds. Let me step out of my car. I'm going to get wet just a little bit because we have to do this as scientists. We must face weather of all kinds in order to get our documents ready and our evidence. See, it is all wet on the ground. They washed it down. But if you look at the sky, it's still bright. And if those clouds wasn't up there, it would be bright and bright from the binary star, even all the way to the west side. Look at the light reflecting off of the chemtrails. Yes, the weaponized weapon is saving us because they've geoengineered the weather and the moon is right there. But I can guarantee you, because we've done our researches, by 7:30, 7:45, it will be real dark, real quick, because the sun is already set, but the binary star is so bright that the light reflects off of the aluminum that's in the chemtrails, that's in the stratosphere, that is being hit with 1 trillion volts. Yes, they're sending volts in the sky to save us, and they're bringing the clouds down because the rain has brought them down to a point where now it's getting cold so that we won't get hot. But the light is still in the air. Look in between all those dirty chemtrails. Boy, they're really saving us. But look to the north. Look at the north. The north has light. How do you have light in the north and the sun has set? How do you have light? Look in between the clouds to the east. And how do you have light going in the south? And the sun has already set. Look over there. See all that bright light under all those dirty chemtrails? When the binary star goes through at about 7:30 to 8 o'clock, it will get dark extremely fast because the sun is no longer up. This is the binary twin of the sun, and it is passing through. And the light is so bright that it still lights up the sky. But because they have the chemtrails up there and they've weaponized the weather, they're saving us. But like I told you, we would see the rain because they have to wash it down. This is a science project and we must be very, very consistent at what we do. Now let's go back to the time, because time and dates are very important. Because if you film something and you don't have the time and the date, they'll think you're just talking. So we're not talking, we're giving the evidence. It is 7:15 and we should see it turn dark. Let's get it again to make sure that we have it. It is 7:15 p.m. So, at about 7:45, when it makes its full pass, because at 6:45 the sun sets in that time frame, we will see the skies turn black immediately. We're going to sit here and we're going to be right on point. We're going to make this science project the best science project we've ever had. And thank you, Carlos Amundes and Zachariah Sidgen. Ask your teachers about these two individuals. They knew about the planet 40 years ago, and they've prepared for it. They've made a HAARP machine that works with the chemtrails that they're spraying in the air to save us, that we don't get burned. Until then, we're looking for a 7:45 window that it'll be black outside because we've done our research. So at 7:45, we're going to do some more filming, and then we'll see if we're correct, and we're going to document it. This will conclude it, and we have 3 to 4 more days. We'll have 10 days in a row of this, and no one can tell us about the California wildfires or the chemtrails or the weaponization of the weather, because they're trying to save us from getting burned, and we're taking our part, and we're standing up. We're going to help out. Everybody must do their part. So I hope you guys are out there filming and keep your eyes on the sky. So at 7:45, we'll turn back to taping.